You join me at Breydon Water, where this cormorant has just caught an eel and is battling to try and swallow it. He's been trying a little while, but he's finally succeeded, although the eel, I think, has other ideas stuck in his throat, his neck. But I wonder how long an eel will keep him full, with a full tummy. I wonder how long that takes to digest. Oh, we're having a little celebratory wash and, oh yeah, dry the wings and a fly away. Off to sit and dry his wings on one of the marker posts. I hope that's not one of the newly painted marker posts, otherwise he'll have red feet, won't he? The egrets are out as the tide is going out, searching for fish. The butterflies trying to hide in amongst the grass. Lovely bee. Back to the egret. You can see how the tide's going out and the water isn't very deep at all. The stones around the edge of Breydon Water are full of these wood louse type insects. What are they? Do you know? Lots of seaweed all the way around the outer edges of Breydon Water. 3 swans. I just saw the bigger size of them and I thought, oh, spoonbills, but no, 3 swans. I can't actually find the spoonbills at the moment. I'm sat filming on a set of steps rather similar to these, but over there in the distance is a curlew investigating the stone bank which fills in the gaps between the different sets of steps. Just look at the state of him. I think he's got in the mud flat a buried mussel. That's a guess anyway. It's clearly very tasty. He's really enjoying it. I think these are shelduck flying away. It's hard to tell when they are quite a distance away, but in filming them, suddenly I caught a glimpse of something else. It's very fuzzy footage, but they are 2 of the spoonbills that live in the mudflats of Breydon Water. And then as I go back to my car, there is this beautiful caterpillar just going into the shade or the underneath of my car. If you've enjoyed Breydon Water, the waders, everything else, the gulls, please give this video a like for me. It would be very much appreciated. That's it for today from Breydon Water. I'll be back again next week with wildlife from around the Broads, but as yet I have no idea where I'll be. Have a good week and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.